Hi, this is Kristen. Due to a work conflict, I was not able to attend the Zoom call that my group had set up. So I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about our theory that we came up with and what I had found throughout my research. So my group decided we were going to talk about the Constructivism Theory. One thing I liked throughout my research with the Constructivism Theory is that all learners take an active role in what they are learning. It is based on past experiences, and really it builds off of the knowledge that you already have, which is understandable to me. Like, if you already know this is happening and then you learn something else, you can put two and two together. That's playing off of your prior knowledge or past experiences that you have had with that content area. Some of the theorists that are involved with constructivism include Dewey, Paget, Vygotsky, Gang, and Brunner. With this theory, teachers need to be aware that students bring different perspectives from life to the learning table. Each student comes with a different background. They come with different experiences, so that's going to play a role in their perspective on different content things. Interacting with others is crucial. You don't learn by yourself. You learn from others. You learn by engaging with others, whether that be in group discussions, partnering up, doing a group project, whatever. You learn based off of others. You learn together. You can also learn by taking in new information that someone else is sharing. Maybe they know a little bit more about something related to the content that you hadn't thought of, so it's going to give you more knowledge on that content area. One thing I found in my article is that motivation is key to learning, making connections and creating new understanding of content. So I think motivation is important even in the classroom with anything. So it's great to see that it's also part of a learning theory. And then as students move through the learning journey, they get better at selecting and organizing information. So as you move through the school grade levels, you're going to be able to take in information, and then you're going to be able to organize that information into what you see as most important to least important, or what is needed at that time versus maybe something else is not needed. So you'll be able to go through all the information you have taken in and decide what is best to come out for a certain situation. And then one thing that I liked about constructivism and that I have a lot in my classroom is active engagement and reflecting on critical learning process. So yeah, you might have your hands-on learning and physical experience, but then you need to take it a step further and have them reflect on what they learned, why they did that project, what did they take away from that project. Just kind of to take that one step further to really get that learning in their mind and something that they can reflect back on. So that is my takeaways from constructivism. Thanks for listening.